Yeah, hello everyone, how you doing? Okay, I want to show you how to work with inheritance in JavaScript. Yes, this tutorial is not for beginner. It's for people who already have some knowledge about JavaScript. So OOP in JavaScript. What is OOP in JavaScript? It means object-oriented programming in JavaScript. Okay, object-oriented programming in JavaScript. That's what it means. So we're gonna be looking at something right now. Let me delete. So we're looking at inheritance. For example, if I have a class parent, okay, and I have a class child, okay, this is the parent class, that's the child class. So the child can inherit from the parent, and when the child is inheriting from the parent, we use the word that says extends parent, okay. So that means if we declare any method here, okay, those methods we declare here and the parent will be accessible by the child here. Okay, so let's do an example now. Let's say I have class animal, okay, and I have class dog. You know, dog is an animal, so dog extends an animal. Okay, I can have a construct here. The construct. I have a constructor here. Constructor is what runs first when I initiate a class, when I instantiate a class. So the constructor is what runs first. So constructor name, okay, and I said this dot name equals to name. Okay, so inside this class I can declare a new method and say speak. Okay, this is a method. This is a method. I can say return. Okay. Yes. It say this dot name can make a sound. Okay, we put that here. Now look at the animal. You know, normally dog and bark, so we can define a method also in dog that says bark. Okay, so we said return. We say return dollar sign this. We say this dot name says woof, woof, woof. Okay, so that's how a dog makes a sound. Okay, so now what we'll do is create an object of that class. So we can say g1 equals to new dog. Okay, look at it. Because we have a constructor here, we must pass it in for that constructor. So we can call it bingo. Okay, so we are creating a class, a new object called bingo. So we can say console.log d1 dot. Immediately you do dot, you see the things we have access to. We have access to speak, which is declared inside this, and we have access to back, which is this. Okay, so we're gonna use speak. Okay, so let's run this and see. This is my page. It has been linked to this HTML. So let us preview this in browser so we can see. Okay, so let me bring the view here so that we can see it. And minimize this. Okay, this is it now. So inspect. Since we did console.log, oh, it says add name is not defined. Okay, let's look at our code. Where did we have the word add name? Oh, look at it. You must have seen it first. Name. It should be animal. Yes. Okay. Yes. So let's look at it now. Let's refresh. Anima is not. Oh, sorry, I didn't save. Let me save that. Okay, see function speak, same function speak. No, sorry, this is a method. So when we're calling a method, we call it like this. Okay, I think now we shouldn't have any other error. Shouldn't have any other error. Console.log. Let's say let's d1 equals to bingo, yes, equals to new, yes. Let me see, there should not be errors anymore. Let's see. Yeah, look at it. Bingo can make a sound. Bingo can make a sound. Bingo can make a sound. We can also say console.log, okay, d1 dot back. Okay, so get this is inheriting speak from the parent, and it has its own method which is back. Okay, so let's yes, so let's check that and see. We have bingo can make a sound. We didn't save again, sorry. Let me do a settings in which I will auto save my stuff. Yes, let me go to settings again. Also, I want it to auto save, so when I make any changes it's auto saved. Let me try it now. Okay, that's better. Okay, see, let's function back. This is function back. Okay, that is function back. Console.log, see, so this is a method. Sorry, it's a method, so I have to pass this. Look at this. Bingo can make a sound. Bingo says woof woof woof. Yes, so that is introduction. That is let me say inheritance in JavaScript, in OOP JavaScript. Thank you. However, if you want to learn more about JavaScript, software engineering, front end, back end, or any other course, okay, you want to start your career in tech, I'm an instructor and founder at TechTutors, so you can enroll with us so that you can start your tech career. I will personally mentor you and train you and make you become an entry-level software engineer, yes, within 4 months. So if you are interested, please reach out to us through the number on this video. Thank you.